shrimp burger. I'm taking all shrimp like this, and I'm cutting about half of the shrimp to put here, the rest of it here, and the piece here. And I'm going to do a puree with this, and I'm going to add that to it with some scallion and so forth. I thought of that recipe because Rachael always take ordinary food and bring it to another level of sophistication. So it's a little bit the same idea here. Okay, so here I have the ground shrimp, and I'm going to do 4 small hamburgers with that, rather than 2 big ones. Mix that in there. Salt, pepper, and scallion. You could put other type of herb, doesn't really matter. I'm going to have about a good 1/4 cup, maybe more than enough. Okay, I will mix this. Okay, here we are. Okay, and maybe 1, 2, 3, about same size. Yeah, here we are. I have a tablespoon of olive oil in there. Take those, press them gently like this. And you want to cook those a couple of minutes on each side. Wash my hand. And now I have the garnish here. And doing well. And with that, I like to do that with the English muffin, which I have toasted here. And it's going to be easier to eat to have 2 per person rather than 1 big one. So here I have about 3 tablespoons of, about 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, and I put a tablespoon of hot chili sauce here. I'll go with it. I'm going to add 1 tomato here, which I'm going to cut into slices. Okay. And I think it's about time for me to flip those over. Yeah. I like to take the Roman lettuce and cut the end of it, which I have here, to use as a cup for my hamburger. So here it is, my 2 hamburger here. I'm going to have a little bit of a base of salad here. On top of that, I put my mayonnaise, which is loaded with hot sauce. About a good tablespoon and a half per person. Tomato on top of this. And my burger basically are ready now. Yeah, barely cooked in the center. Here we are. And only because it's for Rachael, as a special thing, I'm going to put a little bit of salmon caviar on top of this here to gild the lily, as we said, make it even more elegant. A dash of herb, some chives. And here we are, shrimp burger à la Rachael. Here is Rachael, this is for you. A special dish for our friendship, all those years of cooking together, and you're a great cook, and I always would love to cook with you anytime.